Hello guys, remember part 1 of this video? It was the part where we learned uh, how to make a bot, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to actually code a bot easily without doing anything. Open up a new pad, go to botghost.com, go to Discord developer portal, click on bot, and copy the token. Log in with Discord. It's gonna take you. You're gonna have to do some stuff, but I'm already logged in, so uh, go to new. Make a new bot. Paste client ID. I mean the token. Submit. You can have all of these. Sorry. And then you have this thing. You have moderation. These are all the commands you can have. And then you have the bot prefix. You can do a three dollar sign, anything. You can even do what is this. I'm just gonna leave it blank for now. And then you have to go. These are some stuffs. Custom command, a plain text. You have a trigger. Like if you say hello, the bot says you could do hello and user and direct message the user. Oh, and save. You could do an embed message, which is a really cool one. A random message, uh, like letters, and he says, click direct message, and then you have says letters, plain text. There's A, B, C. So for now, I'm just gonna do this. And then there's a roll command, and there's roles to add. Like you could choose roles and stuff, and then there's like commands, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you have all these, but some of like most of these need premium. You can go check out in like premium right here, like that. Click on invite link right here. Uh, you'll go here, select server, Geometry X, continue, authorize, and done. Now I'm gonna open up Discord, and then you can add hello, and the bot responds hello dynamite, and then you could also like letters like that, and then he responds B letters. You can respond B again. He responds A like that. Very random. And if you say help, he has these. So that's pretty much it. And I hope you had a great time watching this video. And I'll see you next time.